everybody? Your boy Larry back with the cooking video. Listen, my freaking protein frosty got like over 1,000 freaking views. So I was like, oh shit, I need to start making more videos in the kitchen. Plus it's a staple, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not gonna get to where you wanna be, whether you're trying to gain muscle or lose fat, if you don't get the eating, the nutrition done. So it's very imperative. So light bulb went off, now I'm making more videos doing this, right, for you guys. Alright, so listen, as you can see, we're making today, we're making the oatmeal is fire, son. You know what I'm saying? The oatmeal is gonna pop, it's gonna melt in your mouth, it's gonna taste so freaking good. Disclaimer, before I started doing this, I really didn't like oatmeal, but then got into bodybuilding, that's a staple for breakfast, right? So I had to make sure I figured out a way to make it palatable. Oftentimes than not, you know, when we make diet food, we just make it just bland. And no wonder why people hate it. Man, enjoy your food. Enjoy the food that you eat on your diet, man. Put care into it, put time into it, and you can make your food taste good. And that's why I'm doing this cooking series, so I can show people how to do that. Now, here's what you're gonna need to do this. Old-fashioned oats, right? That's it, there we go. Great value, bodybuilding on the budget, right? You're at the Walmart brand. Make sure you get the old-fashioned oats. Don't get the instant shit. Don't get the instant oats. Old-fashioned oats. Make sure you get that, right? Then, freezer section of Walmart, cherry berry blend, right? This is basically a concoction of a bunch of berries, obviously, right? It's frozen, and I'm gonna show you why that's so important to get them frozen like that, right? And get you some stevia. Focus, there we go. Some stevia. I like getting the packets, right? And that's it, man. That's all you need, man. That's it, right? So what I've already weighed it out. You need a scale. If you were trying to, again, gain muscle or lose body fat, this is mandatory. It's imperative. This is a great tool. You need this. Go get you a scale on Walmart for about $20. A digital one at that. It's 2018. Don't fuck around and get a manual scale and shit like that. Get you a digital one. It's gonna make life a lot easier. Alright. Now, I've already weighed mine out. I weighed mine out about 90 grams. Comes out to about a cup and a quarter. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the berries. And this is the reason why it's so important to have a scale, so you can know your measurements, because, you know, if your coach tells you you can only have 90 grams of this, you can only a certain amount of ounces of this, then you have a scale to be able to measure that. Because without measuring it, you don't know what you're putting in your body. And by not knowing what you're putting in your body, then how are you going to track your progress? How are you going to know if something is working, if it's not working, right? It's the reason why it's important to be able to have a scale to be able to measure your food. So what I'm going to do is, usually I put my berries in there. I just dump it in there. I know, I've just done it for so long that I know exactly where I'm at, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to measure it. I'm going to weigh it, right? So, I put about 142 grams. This is for me, you know what I'm saying? I'm about 185 right now. I'm a bodybuilder. I have a lot of muscle on my frame. So this is what, this is the amount of oatmeal or oats I have and berries I have to sustain my body. If you're a 135-pound female, you know, obviously your portions are going to be different, right? That's when you need to consult with your coach. If you don't have a coach, hit me up. I'm a coach too. I can do your diet and macros and shit for you too. So hit your boy up if you don't have a coach. Just saying. Now, so what we're going to do now, we're going to add water. How much water do you add? It's a very good question, because again, you know, my off season I cook from the soul, so I don't measure my water, but I'm about to measure it today for y'all. So I got it on 0 ounces right now. I'm gonna tell you how many ounces of water I actually add. I can eyeball it, right? Don't you do that, right? Because I'm a professional, so don't you do that. Alright, so about that much oats, about 8.4 ounces. Right? So I'm gonna throw it in the microwave and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what it looks like now, right? Now that it has, you know, been retrieved from the microwave. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stir it up a little bit. You know, what I like to do is, and it helps it cool down faster, like to throw a couple ice cubes in there, you know what I'm saying? And it helps it cool down faster. I'm stirring and stirring and stirring. You'll see why here in a second. You stir it up, you stir it up. I never like, I don't know, I like the consistency mess with me with oatmeal, and like, you know, I don't know, it just didn't resonate well with me, you know what I'm saying, when I used to eat it when I was little. I just didn't like it like that. So now, this is what it looks like. See, here's what happened. Here's what happened. The reason why I look so sexy right now is because these mixed berries, they're solid as rock right now because obviously they're frozen. When you put it in the microwave, and I put it on 3 minutes 45 seconds, it gave it time to thaw, and it gave it time to melt into the oatmeal. So when I got it out, started stirring it up, all the juices and everything from the berries just melted into the oatmeal. So when I started stirring it, it just spread, and it's just, Then you hit it with the, you know what I'm saying, the stevia, right? You chop it off with a little bit of stevia like that, you know what I'm saying? And then you stir it up even more, get you a couple ice cubes, put it in there so it'll cool off, and it'll make it melt in the berries, melt to the oatmeal even more. And I'm telling you, it will be fire. Guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? So give that a try. Again, this is what the finished product looks like. It tastes excellent. I recommend it highly. Again, thanks for the support thus far. I'm gonna be making more of these videos, but again, if you want coaching and anything like that, you want meal plans, you want me to be your coach and guide you through your fitness journey, hit a boy up, hit a brother up, and I'll put my Gmail across the screen. And thank y'all, and much support, much love, and I will see y'all next video.